Okay guys, so now we're going to focus on the sum of an arithmetic sequence. It's pretty easy. This is a partial sum. It tells us that we want to find the sum of all the terms between 1 and 7. So up to the 7th term. Basically, we're going to use a formula that we worked with earlier in the week. It is n over 2 a1 plus a to the nth, which is our last term. One thing I have to say about this is you can think of it this way. If we rewrite it, it's the number of terms in the sequence plus the first and the last averaged. Because if you divide it by 2, it gives you the average of the first and the last, and then you times it by the number of terms. So that's kind of like saying, if I told you you started at 0 miles per hour and 3 hours later you were at 40 miles per hour, you want to find the average miles per hour that you were traveling at. So you'd say, obviously, 20. And if I told you you traveled for 3 hours, then you could say that you went 60 miles in those 3 hours. Kind of the same principle here. Anyways, we'll get back to solving. So to find A1, we just plug in 1 for it. 2, 1 plus 3 gives us 5. To find the last term, or a to the nth, we look up here. We know that we want to find to the 7th term. So we do 2 times 7 plus 3 gives us 17. Okay, well now we just plug it into our formula, which is going to be 7 over 2 a1, which is 5, plus the last term. And you can work that on your calculator, but it does work.